All right, time for some Friday birthdays in the 4 states. And we're going to begin in Oswego with Christian Stewart celebrating the big number 1. Happy birthday, Christian.
All right, Kennedy Wyrick turning 3 years old this year in Sebeka, Missouri with love from Mom, Dad, Aspen, Remy, Carson, Hallie, Nana, and Papa.
And we head over to Crestline for Riley Moore celebrating birthday number 12. A very happy birthday to you, Riley, with love from all your family.
Haley Smarto in Arma, turning 14 years old. Growing up there, girl. Haley is an 8th grader at Northeast Junior High.
And Sean Leroy over in Chanute celebrating birthday number 40. A very happy birthday to you, Sean.
All right, and Tyler Harrell. It's time for another Harrell birthday. 44 years old for Tyler in Pittsburgh.
And Daniel Blackford in Lamar celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday to you, Daniel.
Sue Drennan in Crestline. Happy birthday to you, Sue.
And Tim Crane over in Columbus celebrating
Woo!
birthday number 61 with one heck of a shot there. Tim, happy birthday.
That's a pretty cool shot. Let's see, Iona Phillips. Miss Iona is 80 years old this year. Looking great there, Iona, in Liberal, Missouri.
And we've got Brent and Karen Jesse celebrating an anniversary in Crestline. A very happy anniversary to Brent and Karen.
Aw. And Mark and Katie Karhoff are celebrating their 16th anniversary. Karhoffs, congratulations to you.
And our party doesn't stop there. We've got Carmen Mishak, in Richards, Missouri, celebrating birthday number 80 with birthday wishes coming from your grandson, Skylar.
And Gail Gillard, happy birthday from all of the family.
Now, we've said it once, we've said it twice, we've said it 100 or more times. We love celebrating with you. Tanya, if they want to celebrate with us, how do they do that?
It's pretty simple. All they have to do is send us an email with their birthday picture and their name and all of the details to birthdayswithin@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, why not take time, head over to our website, check out everything that's on there, and most importantly, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today. All right,